Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. There's 3 things in this world you don't want to make angry. The Hulk, the Minecraft Creeper, and the Creeper Hulk.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This week's model is the Creeper Hulk on Thingiverse, designed by osaebo. There will be a link to it in the description below. This model is really cool and I just had to have one. This was printed about a year ago when the AM8 was still the AIO A8. This was printed in AIO Robotics Green PLA with a 215 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This model prints upside down so that it doesn't need any supports. Like I said, this was printed about a year ago. I gave it to Zach, and then it was also displayed at multiple venues. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so what do you get when you cross an Incredible Hulk with a Minecraft Creeper? 2 angry fictional characters.